Hey Panthers, it is Vivian and I am one of your graduate assistants here at Georgia State University with the Counseling Center. Today I'm back with another Take Care of You Tuesday video where we work on stress management through some creative projects. Today we are going to be focusing on mindfulness through our sense of touch by making slime. It's going to be pretty fun, so follow along. I don't know about y'all, but I thought this was super fun. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you will come back and join us for another Take Care of You Tuesday next week. Bye.